Hello, my name is Willem, and today we start a new series where we'll be managing a $10,000 investment portfolio. So let's get right into it as this video will be, so to say, an introductory video. So about me, I currently study business finance and accounting on my master's. I currently study it in Cyprus, but I'm originally from Estonia. I have worked at the biggest bank of Estonia as a data analyst. I'm also a portfolio manager at a family company. And I'm also an equity research analyst at a Cyprus registered investment fund focusing on private equity and real estate investments. I'm also a, so to say, stock and bond analyst at a student investment fund at my home country. And my approach to investing is quite different than typically. I focus on value. That can be, so to say, a general thing, but I also have a lot of quantitative aspects in my thesis. That comes from working with a US and EU based team developing algorithmic trading strategies. So I have picked up some things from there as well. So the portfolio, basics of it. Firstly, I can show you that we'll be using an interactive broker account with $10,000, although it's a little bit more than right now, but you get the point. And we'll be using only this account for now to manage investments, and it also has option support. And for information, this is a margin account. So we'll be focusing on a 10 stock holding strategy at a time, but it can fluctuate. Additionally, if we'll focus on equal weights, but if one stock does better than others, and it'll be more, so to say, has more capital, has more percentage of the portfolio in it, then we'll not sell it because of that, unlike funds have to do to mitigate risks. And as I have also said, that option trading is allowed, but there is some restrictions. It can't option trade margin can't exceed 10% of the portfolio value. And the main thing that we have to look out for is that every investment thesis, either to buy or sell, has to be supported by fundamental technical analysis. So we'll also document this in the YouTube video. And I must add that to buy it definitely needs one, but to sell, it's typically already in the buy, so to say, thesis where to sell, as my methodology is very technical and I look for selling opportunities already before when buying into the trade. So quickly, what content to expect. We'll be making investment theses. It's gonna be one stock per video, typical bit. So we'll go with the walkthrough of the company, the financials, key findings, and what we'll do with it. Either to buy, sell, or hold. And the decision we make, we'll also execute it. So we'll buy for the same $10,000 investment portfolio, the stock that we think is good to buy. So that's gonna be the main thing. Also, we'll do quarterly reviews, performance reviews, and yearly we'll look back how the portfolio did, what was the weaknesses, what was the strengths, and where we can improve. And that's it probably. So thanks for watching this short, very short introductory video, and I hope you see you in the next video. Bye bye.